What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? We are going to be working on the Duramax real quick. We ran into an issue, and as you can plainly see right here, by what we're going to be doing is a window motor, because mine ended up breaking the other day. I went to put the window down because I was moving the truck around, and it broke. So here's my wiring, my cable's from inside of here. As you can see, there's a cable right there. Ended up breaking, and my window's all messed up. So like, here, I'll put the camera like right here. Maybe you guys can see, maybe you guys can't. I don't know. Watch. Oh, yeah, doesn't work. Does not work. So I need to do that anyways, but regardless, I need to do that regardless. So, oh gosh, okay. So there's a few things we need to get out of here. First one being this stupid thing right here. Okay, this guy here right there. These are the clamps that hold the window in place. Now, the nice thing about these Chevys is the window will stay up. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to leave it go. There's nothing holding it up right here. As you can see, I just I disconnected these two bolts here, and the window basically sits in that track right there. So what we got to do is we got to unplug the motor right here. Not an engine, a motor. We got to unplug that. We have a few bolts that need to be taken out, like here, down here, and over here. And I think this one too. No, maybe not that one, but this one. And I think there's one down here somewhere. Yeah, there's one down here as well that we need to take out. These all correspond with the bolt holes here and here, here and here and here, and here, right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get this old setup out and put the new one in, but we'll get this out and show you what it looks like and show you the broken cable and everything and how these things break. This is I've never changed my window motors out in this thing ever in the almost 10 years that I've owned this truck. These are original, I'm assuming they're original motors. This is the first time. I've actually had this for a while because a couple years back, I thought I fried my window motor because I overcharged. I had two jump boxes hooked up to the truck trying to get it jumped because the battery was dead because it sat for a long time. And I thought I fried my motor, but I actually just fried my switch. And I ended up replacing my switch, and the motor was fine. But this window has always been slow anyways. So what better time than to do it than now? So let's get this other motor out. I got to charge up my GoPro a little bit because it's kind of dead. It's like at 25%. So we're going to charge up the GoPro while I pull this setup out. I'm going to put it on my beautiful clean table over here for you guys and show you what it looks like compared to the new one. Alrighty, so we have our new window regulator set up here. We have our old one here. As you can see, it is destroyed. It's broken. Broken in there, broken in there. I don't know what exactly broke, but something did not light up. There we go. That's where it broke, right there. So it snapped the cable, and this is just from age, snapped the cable there and ended up, oh, this goes into here. That goes into there like that, yeah. So I ended up snapping the cable and didn't allow the window motor to do its job anymore. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and install this one here. Now the nice thing about this is these have these little hooks right here, as you guys can see on the very top. And it makes it a little bit easier to put these window motors in because you're not having to have somebody hold the window and hold this and hold that. You can literally put those pieces in and they'll go into these little slots. They'll line up into these little slots right here, which then allow you to put the bolts in and hold it in place while you get everything set up. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And yeah, I guess we're just going to go ahead and do that. I'm not going to show you that because it's not really entertaining, to be honest. It's literally just slide the pieces in through the hole here and line it up, put the bolts in, and then I'll show you how to set the window down in this thing. That is one thing that I will definitely show. So we have our new motor and regulator set up. Everything's bolted down nice and tight. You got your bolt here, your bolt here. Like I said before, you got one down here, and then you got one here, here, and here. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to get everything lined up. I got my window switch hooked up. You're going to turn the key on. and you're going to make sure it works. As you can see, these are coming up. I've already got these opened up. They're not rubbing anything. So what I would suggest is I'd put them about right there. Well, not that one. Okay, right there. And what I would do is you're gonna have to bring that window down onto here. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. As you can see, it's in there now. Got to bring it down a little bit more. It's hard to do this with one hand, but we're gonna make it work, guys. We're gonna make it work. Here we go. There we go. Now that's down in there. You want to make sure that's seated in there really, really good, and then you're gonna tighten this one up, and you're gonna lift the window up a little bit and tighten that one up as well. So the window's set in there, and it's gonna take a little bit to get these in here and tighten them down. Usually what I'll do is I'll put the window all the way up, I'll tighten these down, and then with it all the way up, this is just something I do, I'll loosen all three of these bolts back up, or maybe don't even tighten them up in the beginning, and then go ahead and tighten them bolts down. Make sure your wiring harness is out of the way. Some of these aftermarket window motor regulators come with an extended wiring harness, so you can just kind of put that out of the way, make sure it doesn't get in the way of anything. And then we're going to go ahead and turn the truck key on and see if the window works. And as you can see, it's going down. Nice. Now we're going to go back up with it. The truck isn't running, so it is going up a little slower than normal, but it will go up all the way. Hold on a minute, let me check. Yeah, I thought it wasn't going up all the way, but it is going up all the way, guys. Had to start it up. Battery was getting really, really dead. But yeah, she's definitely working better. Definitely working better now. I need to do a little bit of more of an alignment up here because it's not going up all the way, so I got to readjust these a little bit, which ain't that big of a deal. As you can see, I'll put the camera, hopefully you guys can see it, but you see it, there's still a little play there, and it can definitely go up a little bit further. So maybe I'm just seeing shit, I don't fucking know. It feels like it's not going up all the way, but I guess it is. I guess it is. It's going up. See, I got these wing guards up here, so I guess it is going up all the way. It just doesn't feel like it's going up all the way, but I guess it is. Yeah, it's going up. It's going up all the way. I'm getting crazy with myself. I gotta let this thing run for a little bit so it can charge up the battery. In the meantime, I'm gonna put this all back together, this old door panel, which is sitting here. It's only a few bolts, that one, some hooks on the bottom, and we'll show you the finished product. Pretty simple video, guys. Alrighty, door panel's back on. I actually had to take the door panel back off because I messed up something, but there she is in all of her glory. Good old Dirty Max. Living the best dream. Living the best dream. It's a good truck. Good truck. Let's shut her off. I think the battery's nice and charged up. As you can see, the door panel's back on. Everything's working very, very well. Go ahead and show you one more time about this window going up. Look at that. It's beautiful. 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 Man, she should be charged up a lot now. She's a good truck. A little update. I know you guys, there's a lot of you guys have asked a big update on these tires, these Treadwright tires back here. And as you guys can see, these things are holding up great. These are the Treadwright all-terrain. These are remolded tires, not caps. They're the Warden, yeah, the Warden Treadwrights, tubeless, 285, 75, 16s. And they are doing freaking amazing. When I was using the truck, it was doing great. As you can see, there's no bubblings going on in between the tires. The tread looks really good. Let me see. I don't have a coin on me or anything. I have my trusty old knife though. Okay, so right there you can see there's still plenty of tread left on these things, as you guys can see. These are the front tires, the Wild Peak ATs that I bought brand new. right before I got those Treadwrights, and they're doing okay too. They're starting to cup a little bit, but I can't really rotate them because these are a different size. Well, not a different size, but these do run taller than regular tires after they retread. We'll go up to the front of the shop. I'll show you a set of brand new all-terrain Wardens that I have that were supposed to be for the front, which once these guys are done, I will be putting these on the front of the truck. Once these front tires are done, I'll be putting them on the front here. But these tires, guys, have been doing phenomenal. No deformation, no delamination, no nothing. The things have worked great. Let's go up front and let me show you the brand new, the two tires I wasn't able to put on that are literally brand new tires. I know it's dark in here. We're just gonna keep walking. We're gonna walk through the darkness to the light, people. That's what we're gonna do. Through the darkness to the light. Here they are. Still got the sticker on them. Still got the good little sticker on them, the nibbies. But you can see that's some big tread. That's some big knobbies. This is what these back ones look like brand new. Right there. But look how crazy, how much tread there is there. And I've had them for a while. I've had these Treadwrights for a while. We will be soon having an update on Zach's Integra as well for the turbo engine build. I'm trying to talk him into buying a brand new car, so this will be his you know, weekend car kind of thing. Once he gets a new car, which he desperately needs a new car, because that car is just not good for the drive to work that he has to do every single day, an hour away, you know, one way every single day. He just goes through gas like it's going out of freaking style. So I'm trying to get him to understand, as a 19-year-old kid, hey man, you need to buy something that's like a hybrid all-wheel drive for winter. Like, you need to stop thinking like sporty cool car, because you already got your sporty cool car, and you need to start thinking best car for the job to get done. So I'm still working on that. Comment below, guys, and give him and me some recommendations on some good hybrid all-wheel drive vehicles, or at least hybrid, bare minimum a hybrid vehicle that is good for traveling, that gets phenomenal gas mileage. We were looking at a few of them, and there's a few of them out there that we like, but maybe you guys can think of a few that we haven't thought of yet. But he desperately needs one of those. But anyways, that's pretty much the video, guys. Not a big drawn out lengthy video, just a door motor that was that took a shit and took a broke on me here, and ended up having to replace it. So, you know, good old Dirty Max, guys. You are eventually hopefully going to be seeing a lot more videos of this truck and some other vehicles as well that we got things going on with here soon. So if you guys can be patient, and yeah, you'll see. You'll be seeing videos of the truck. Don't worry. I know how much you guys love the Duramax. I know you guys love the Duramax. I have a few other things I want to do to it. A few things that obviously in the back from previous videos, the rust that needs to be addressed, and stuff like that. But yeah, other than that, door windows fixed. Tires are doing freaking great. So anybody that has any issues with Treadwright, tell them that they don't know what they're talking about, because them tires are good. I've had great times with them tires. But other than that, we're going to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Hit that notification bell, put it on all, and deuces, guys.